Well guys, the Olympics may be over, but the competitions definitely are not. Because today we've been invited by our friends at Legoland New York Resort here in Goshen, New York for the final round of challenges of Brick Factor.
Wait, what's Brick Factor?
Well, Jet, I'm glad you asked. Brick Factor is a unique opportunity to watch 6 Lego builders compete in the final round of challenges to secure their dream job and become the next model builder. 15 candidates competed in early August, and today's competition is the final round of 2. The Master Model Builder experience is something new for Legoland in 2024 and has allowed guests to interact, build, and speak with real Master Model builders. While we're here today, we're also going to check out the new Minifigure Skyflyer, which is now the easiest way to move between the top and bottom of the Legoland Park. And with 7 themed lands, over 40 rides, shows, attractions, experiences, the water playground, and so much more, there's no limit to how much fun you can have here with family and friends. Well guys, if you're ready to have a bricktacular time, then come and join us.
Well, let's go.
Let's get on the Skyflyer.
There are 7 party pods, each one with its own story and experience. Each party pod is ADA and stroller accessible and seats with up to 10 people.
Let's go, party people! What's up, party people?
There's also a dance floor in the queue line so kids can boogie down to help power the Minifigure Skyflyer. The pirate ride is really fun because like you're getting sprayed or you can spray people, and I cannot believe we got sprayed by our dad. So right now I'm with Alec, and Alec, can you tell us a little bit about what's going on at Brick Factor?
Yeah, this is Brick Factor. This is our Lego building competition to hire a new model builder for Legoland New York. So they have to design some models like on the spot in an hour time frame, and we're looking for somebody who is creative, talented, quick on their feet, but also like really fun to talk to.
I thought they're like just building for fun, but they're like everybody's kind of doing a competition.
Yeah, so these are our 6 finalists. So one of them is actually going to get a job here at Legoland at the end of it. They competed last week in New Jersey in our first round, and we had like 16 people in that round, and these are the 6 that moved on to our finals.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a weird job interview for sure. And I'll tell you what, it's a little bit stressful, but it's super, super fun.
So thanks, Alec, for talking to me, and let's get back to the competition.
Let's do it.
This is Brick Factor.
Woo! I'm so excited because we've come to a decision through no easy process on who will be the next model builder of Legoland New York. I've said it once, I'll say it a million times. I want to just congratulate each and every one of you guys. All 6 of you up here deserve to be up here. Huge round of applause. Your passion, your talent absolutely comes through. The winner of our Brick Factor competition to choose the next master builder for Legoland New York based on building skill, charisma, creativity is Jack! It's you! Come on up! Everyone give a huge round of applause for New York's next master builder! And that's it for Brick Factor 2024! Woo!
So right now I'm with Jack, also known as the Brick Fact winner of this year. And Jack, since you won, do you have anything to say about it?
It's been a dream come true. I never expected this to happen. I'm still absorbing everything that's happening, but I'm loving it. And what I'm looking forward to is meeting these amazing master builders and learning as much as I can from them.
What is the first thing you're gonna build either when you get home tonight or the next time you're free?
Oh, first I'm gonna build myself something to eat, and then I'll probably build myself maybe another little trophy for myself. I don't know, I'm overwhelmed, and I'm just gonna build what my heart wants. That's what's gonna happen, so.
So congratulations on getting the new job, and we cannot wait to see you actually in the park. Either it can be today, it can be another time we come for an event.
Sounds good, thank you so much.
Well, everybody, that's going to do it for our day today at Legoland New York Resort. Thanks for hanging out with us here at the park and for joining us at the final competition challenges of Brick Factor. And congratulations to Jack, this year's winner. Don't forget that there are lots of themed events happening all year round at Legoland resorts across the nation. Head to Legoland.com to find one at a location near you. If you enjoyed our video today, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share with family, friends, and anyone you know who loves Lego. On the scene from Legoland New York Resort, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!